We're here day 2 at CES. Gonna capture some stuff and see if you guys like some of the new upcoming projects and products that are coming out. Coverage of CES is sponsored by us. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe for more coverage on CES 2026.
Look at the magnet. Oh, I like that. So there's feedback in this fan. And you go around it, look at that, and you try it away, and then this one kind of like sinks in. What is the material of this one?
So this is kind of like a coral sponge.
And this one?
This one is water.
It feels like water, like splashing a little bit when you do that. And this one?
Rubber.
Oh, yeah. Cool. Yeah. There's feedback on, look at this magnet. Just because I get closer, look at that, I get closer. Look at that, you see that? It's crazy. This is great stuff for an artist. It's open.
Yep. So it's integrated with freeform.
Drink in 5 minutes.
Why won't you use the same circulating system to pop it out in this way?
So we can, but CES requires us to hand you guys the drinks. Yes,
okay.
sir.
All right. I'll take a pineapple.
And then I'll confirm it for you. Or you got it confirmed. It'll come out of here. Less than 7 seconds, sir. I'll have your drink for you.
So McDonald's has this system.
Very similar, but theirs is much larger.
Yeah. All right.
About
Thanks.
3 times the size.
I'll try it.
This is big. Oh, here comes security. Oh, look at this one. This is security system. Laser, know there's place around, has a camera in the front. Any safety features on it?
What do you mean?
Like anything, like, because it looks like
It's
the seatbelt's the only one?
It's semi-autonomous, yeah. It's just a
No canopy or something to overturn or something, or
it won't turn or anything like that. It's more you strap in. You've got 2 joysticks.
strap in and you pray to God that you're okay.
The thing is, it doesn't go as high as you think. It goes up to 15 feet.
Oh, okay. It's not that
Yeah.
bad.
Sorry?
15 feet high?
15 feet high, up to 15 minutes, up to 60 miles per hour as well. So you could do about like 15 miles, maybe a bit more. Yeah.
Is there a battery to charge, or
Yes, so it's fully electric, and it can use any electric, like supercharger or any charger, and yeah, it charges 18 minutes. 15 minutes.
15 minutes, yeah. Yeah, but it gives you a long distance. Yeah. It's like a drone, like a real drone
Yeah,
distance.
exactly, and that's how it
It's the
feels
same
like
concept,
driving.
yeah.
Yeah, exactly that.
Yeah. Thank you.
No worries.
One of my favorite mouse was a trackball, right? I used to play Warcraft with this. You could send all your units out. The ball comes out. The ball's out for you to clean it. Rotating button here. 1 button, 2 button, 3. And then you got the button on the right. So USB Type-C. Functions on the bottom. DPI, USB, and wireless. 2.4. They have very variety of trackballs here. Look at that one. This one has multiple functions, and I've worked with these guys before. Loved it. Big hands, little hands, big giant hands, and one of my favorite. Now this mouse, this is how you actually rotate with the mouse. All right, you have it side grip.
40 watts.
Okay.
With only USB-C.
Other there, USB-C, okay.
Yeah. And it also has a display of which output has how many output.
How much power
Yeah,
output? Does
here.
it say how many amps?
Yeah, it also say here.
Is it synchronous to an app too, so you can see it from home, if voltage usage and all, with an app? Do you have an app?
Connect to an app? Does it connect app?
Right now it doesn't have that.
No, okay.
This is our first product.
It's kind of hard if you
Yeah,
put
yeah.
this behind a TV or something. I would love to maybe access to that. That's why.
And
Anchors,
But-
yeah. Anchor's got one with the display
Yeah.
that I've got. That you can look at it on your app.
Yeah.
Tell your kid he's using too much power on his iPad.
Is it heavy?
yeah,
Oh yeah, it's heavy. It's a security system too. You can whack somebody on the head with it.
you can use
So-
Personal
for
protection.
There you go.
Is it smart featured that you can turn on and off the individual outlets?
This water fountain. It's not available now, but it's glass water fountain, so you can see exactly how much water you have, minimum to the maximum. I currently have one, but you can't see anything but one slab, and this one is perfect on this one. Stainless steel on the top. Pump wise, it's the centerpiece, pushing the water out. UV light to kill bacteria and everything else. Does it also have a filter on the top? Okay, so there is a filter system. This is not available yet, but soon maybe will come back in the market. Check this out. On this version right here, it has 2 cameras. One for facial recognition. That means it's going to recognize your cat or your dog. It will not feed it if it's the wrong cat or the wrong animal. Now the plate comes off. Stainless steel also. Tray on the top. Features on it. Camera here, camera there. 2-way audio.
And also 2 containers inside, designed for multiple pet families as well.
This is perfect for dietary consumption for cats. If one cat's on any maybe loose weight food and the other one, medication, you can have them vice versa. And the bottom of it, you have a silica zone, so for bacteria, fungus, and moisture.
Yes, and also the outside material is rainproof. It's easy to set outside in the patio.
Also, it's IP47, or what you say, waterproof,
Yeah, the rainproof.
rainproof, and does it have battery?
Yeah, the battery. So it's backup.
C?
Yeah,
C.
C.
So it does have battery C on this one. This is a great item for if you guys are going to get multiple cats, feeders, and dogs, because it is a big tray that you could feed both animals. 2 cameras, double.
Yeah, and also here's our app. It can keep intake each pet's meal tracking daily, weekly, monthly, and also can capture their behaviors during their meal time. So it's everything automatically, and you can set 3 pets per feeder in total. Yeah.
Also, I noticed something. It has an auto feeder, a manual feeder here too.
In case like any outage or something. Yeah.
Yeah, I like it, and it's available now
It's
at their
available.
website. So let me put on
Yeah, our website.
the barcode here. I'll put a still shot so you guys can see it.
Okay, thank you. So, and feel free to tag us on our Instagram.
All right, this line should tell you something.
about awareness of health. People are actually lining up just to check themselves on a couple of issues. You can self-evaluations within the actual unit, blood pressure, sugar, and weight, and body fat too. So all in one system. Also oxygen intake, and also other stuff that you can do within one unit. So this line goes long. Thinking that it wasn't going to be as popular, but it is, because health is a representative of a value for anybody wanting to buy products and self-evaluation. This is probably going to be the route now. Look at this big old machine. Hello. You push the button, or what do you do?
To capture the hand motion, the sensor.
Okay. So you do this.
Yes. To start the like slide down this one, and to stop the throat, just to
Up.
like one,
It tells
two,
you up.
three. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2.
Oh,
Yeah! I don't know what I got.
Right.
Woo! And you do this like he's motion sensor. You grab it like that. One, it tells you 1, 2, 3, and then push down.
Yes, to push down.
Push down, and then you bring it back up. There it goes again. Let me put this in here. Sorry.
Mixed with mirror and displays.
Oh.
And the idea is don't touch the mirror at all, not at all, but instead for hand gestures like this to come up with the schedules in details and back to top.
So let me explain to the viewers. This is a sensor he's promoting, all right? Sensors,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Not the actual device, but he's giving you guys samples of how it can be used. For example, this is a GUI set for your mirror. If you're standing in front of it, you're fashioning, you want to check out the weather. With his gestures, he's able to make changes.
Yes.
It's something that I see a lot of clothing stores are going to have in the future with the sensors, clothing,
Basically,
everything.
like I said, our company produces these sensors, but we have to always.
What's the name of your company?
Kodenshi, Japanese company.
There you guys go. So you guys are looking for sensors.
Yes,
You
but
know.
only for sensors. It's not appealing to the audience. So we always try to come up with the future solutions. It's one application using the photo sensors. And you put the hand like this. It's a three-way
Ooh, look at
mirror
that.
from both angles.
Oh, so you can see how fat you are.
No, don't worry.
Me.
And one more like function. This is the mother's information.
Yeah.
If father stands in front of this
Look at
device,
that, scanning the
father-
face,
yes.
and it changes every.
Yes.
So I understand every individual that walks in here, face recognition, the system will change to the individual.
Yeah.
I-
Thank you.
I like it. One right here. Looking at wrist key. Look at that. Big.